Hello everyone, welcome to the classes. So today we are going to see JEE Mains 2021 24 February Maths paper analysis and solution. This will be completely memory based. So now let's start. The first question is area bounded by the curve x square plus y square less than equals to 36 and outside the parabola y square greater than equals to 9x is. So we have to find the area bounded by this curve. So basically we'll name it first curve. R is this much. This much is our first curve and the second is are this portion and this portion. Basically this is the second and this is point of intersection, which is 3 comma 3 comma 3 root 3. So basically we'll solve like this. So our here is x square plus y square equals 36. We'll put y square equals to 9x. We'll put the value here, x square plus 9x minus 36 equals to 0. So we'll get the root out here, x plus 12 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here we have got this point of intersection. Now we'll take the area, take out the area. The first one will be pi r square by 2. So pi and r is our 6 here. It's the 6. So pi 6 square by 2 plus this will be 2 times 1 this and 1 this. Let's suppose I am seeing this as y1, the curved circle, and then this as y2. So 2 integration of from where to where it will be 0 to 3 y1 minus y2 dx. So now we will see that this comes out to be 18 pi plus 2 times, and y1 will be r under root 36 minus x square and y2 will be under root 9x. So finally we'll, after solving that, we will get here x by 2 under root 36 minus x square plus 36 by 2 sine inverse x by 6 with limit of 0 to 3 plus minus 6 x की power 3 by 2 with the power of 3 with the limit of 0 to 3. So from here we will get finally 18 pi plus 2 into 9 by 2 into 3 root 3 plus 18 pi by 6 minus 4 into 3 root 3. So after solving this we will get as 24 pi plus 15 root 3, and so our option is 24 pi plus 15 root 3. It's here root 3, wait a second, root 3 here, it's root 3 here, 24 pi plus 15 root 3, 15 root 3 root 3 root 3. So basically our answer is first option, 24 pi plus 15 root 3. Moving on to the next question. The value of is minus 15c1. So now let's see this question. So now let's see this question. So basically here the question is r equals to 1 से लेकर 15 minus 1 की power r, this I am writing as general term, r की power 15 cr plus 2 की power 15 minus 2. Basically this is our general term. Now we'll see that after solving this general term by taking, we all know that c n c r n by r c n by r n minus 1 c r minus 1. So this is the formula which we are using here. So here it will be r 1 to 15. We have taken out the n here as 15. So minus 1 की power r की power 15 and r की power 15 gone. So we are left with 14 c r minus 1 plus 2 की power 15 minus 2. So after solving this, we will get minus 14 की power c 14c1 minus 14c2 and so on with minus 14c4 c14 plus 2 की power 15 minus 2. So the final answer will be 15 into 0. This all term will be 0 plus 2 की power 15 minus 2. So answer will be 2 की power 15 minus 2. Which of the option is matching? The second option. Moving on to the next question. The value of limit. So here we have to find the limit of the function. So how we can calculate the limit of the function? By Newton-Leibniz formula. So by applying the Newton-Leibniz, we will get here, we will do the differentiation of above by L'Hopital's rule. So by L'Hopital's rule, we will get here sine x square, or we will suppose that sine root t dt, it's basically root t. The question is incomplete. So sine x, we'll get here sine x upon 3x square into 2x. We'll write the differentiation. Wait a minute, I'll write the Newton-Leibniz formula. It's a to b fx, if it is given, and we have to find the limit of this. Then we will how to find it. How can we can find it is f f of limit extending to t. So f of t into b dash minus a dash. Okay. So moving on with this, we'll see here the x got cancel. 2 sin x upon 3x, 2 sin x upon 3x. Sin x by x when x tending to 0 is 1. So our answer is 2 by 3. Second option is correct. Now here we have question to find the value of this limit. So we can clearly see that is type of VN method, where we'll write r equals to 1 and tan inverse r plus 1 minus tan inverse r. We have applied tan A minus tan B formula. So from here we will take tan inverse, we'll take both side tan. So tan r equals to 1 and tan inverse 1 upon r plus r square, and this is equals to tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1. So by taking both side tan, we got here, and this side we got here is n upon 1 plus n plus 1 by applying tan A minus tan B formula. So tan A minus B formula, we get here tan, and this value will be r equals to 1 to n tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus r square equals to 1. So our final answer is 1. Now our question is two pillars of different heights are given. And we can read here the question. Basically, I'm here the diagram. It's like this. 3x. Supposing it as x, then it will be 3x, because here it is 3 times the height of the smaller pair, and it is 150 meter wide. So the distance is 150 meter wide, and angle of elevations and okay. So suppose we are assuming this is theta, then it will be pi by 2 minus theta, because this will be pi by 2 minus theta. This will be theta. So again this will be pi by 2 minus theta. This distance will be 75 and 75. And okay, so now we know that tan theta equals to x upon 75 and tan pi by 2 minus theta equals to 3x upon 75. From here we get, so 1 equals to x into 75 into 3x into 75. So from here we will get x square equals to 75 into 25, and x value comes out to be 25 into root 3. So our answer is 25 into root 3. Next question is p plus q equals to 2, p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 equals to 272. So we have to find this quadratic equation roots, which is p and q. So to find out of which quadratic equation p and q are the roots, we will follow this equation. So we'll apply the formula here, p square plus q square a whole square. So it will be p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 plus 2p square q square. So its value has been given to us. How it is? Because p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 has been given 272. And p square plus q square, what we can write here? P plus q the whole square minus 2pq का whole square equals to 272 plus 2p square q square. And p plus q whole value we have got, that is 4, because 2 its value is 2, so its square will be 4. So 4 minus 2pq whole square equals to 272 plus 2p square q square. Assuming that p square q square as t, so here we will get 16 plus 4t square minus 16t equals to 272 plus 2t square. The final equation comes out to be 2t square minus 16t minus r. This equation will become as 128 after divided by 2. So this is our final equation. So from here we get as t value as 16 and minus 8, which is pq value. We are assuming that pq equals to 2. Sorry, I have written here p square q square. It is pq basically. Pq equals to t. We have assumed it. Let pq equals to t. So we got here two answers, and that is x square minus 2x plus 16, which is this one, and another we have got is x square minus 2x minus 8. 2x plus, so we have only one answer, so that's why only one option is there. If here it would be minus, then it would be multiple correct, and that would be bonus question for you.